Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can share photos and videos through Google Photos with a link. So let's get right into it. I'll be covering both the PC version and the mobile version. So let's get started with the steps for the PC. Now on the PC, of course, you need your web browser, and you go to this link, which is just the web page for Google Photos, and log into your account, and then you can place your cursor over a video or photo, and you can check off this check mark in the top right, which will select that photo or video. Just clicking on the photo will enter the preview, and that is not what you want. Once you select it, you can click share, and here you can click create a link to create a link and share the photo through a link, or you can share through other apps if you so choose. Now on mobile, it is very similar. You just need to go into the app, log in, then select whatever you want by tapping it and holding it down, and then tap share, and then under share to apps, you can select an app which you want to share with. You have a lot of choices, so you can go through them and select what you want, or you can create a link by tapping create a link, and that's pretty much the same process as for the PC, and this process is the same between Android and iOS. As you can see, it is the exact same instructions. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.